Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Apple iPad mini with the A17 Pro chip on Boost Mobile. I'll cover the price, key features, and whether this compact powerhouse is worth the money. Price and deals. The iPad mini A17 Pro starts at $649.99 on Boost Mobile's website. There is a special deal of $100 off when you choose their 36-month financing option, which lowers your upfront cost or spreads payments over 3 years. Protection plan. Boost also offers Boost Protect with AppleCare Services included. It features a $29 screen repair deductible, accidental damage coverage, loss and theft protection, and premium tech support for about $10 per month. It is optional but great for peace of mind. Key specs. Here's what you get with this iPad mini. 8.3-inch LED backlit multi-touch display, A17 Pro processor for fast performance. Storage choices up to 2 terabytes, starting at 256 gigabytes. 12-megapixel main camera. Battery life up to 10 hours on Wi-Fi or 9 hours on cellular. Wi-Fi 6E with 2x2 MIMO and Bluetooth 5.3 runs on iPadOS 18. Compact build, measuring 7.69 inches by 5.30 inches by 0.25 inch, weighing only 10.4 ounces. Inside the box, you get the iPad mini, a 1-meter USB-C charge cable, and a 20-watt USB-C power adapter. Pros and cons. Pros include a powerful chip in a small size, flexible storage, solid battery life, and modern connectivity. Boost's optional protection adds value for long-term use. The cons. Even with the discount, the cost is still high, and if you cancel Boost service early, you'll need to pay the remaining device balance immediately. Verdict. If you want a high-performance tablet that is light and portable, the iPad mini A17 Pro is a fantastic choice. It delivers desktop-class power in a small package. Just be sure the premium price fits your budget. Outro. What do you think of the new iPad mini? Would you grab one or choose a different tablet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.